Worried about your placements and don't know what to do? Don't worry, Appteknow Careers placement tool has just the right solution. How does this placement tool help you? That's a good question. You will get ATS Resume Builders, unlimited job openings from top MNCs, mock interviews with AI, and a guaranteed first round of interview. Let's know how it works in detail. As soon as you create your account and log in, your profile pops up. Make sure to fill all the details. Minimum 90% profile completion is mandatory. Next, head towards the document section and upload your resumes based on the job you apply for. Then go to the job board, choose your dream job, pick the resume for the job and hit apply. It's that easy, but wait, how to build the resume with a good ATS score? Select AI Resume Builder from the menu, give a job title description. AI will go through the details and will let you know the points missing from the resume. Take suggestions and build the resume step by step. Select any template and download. What about mock interviews? Just go to AI Mock Interview, select the job and start taking the interview. This is for your practice and you can do it for any job. Once done, you get detailed feedback, recruiter perspective, where you went wrong, and tips based on your performance to improve. Take the suggestions and you will be ready for any interview. Finally, coming to the first round of interview, go to the assessment section and look for the name of the company you have applied to. The company will conduct your first round and you will get immediate results. What else are you waiting for? Register today and get placed.